Want to impress your teacher or classmates with a awesome solar system presentation made entirely in PowerPoint? In this video, I will show you step by step how to design a stunning educational solar system slide deck that looks professional and is super easy to make. First, insert a sky image from your device. Then, right-click, cut the image. Go to Format Background. Click on Picture or Texture Fill and insert the picture from the clipboard. This will give your entire slide a beautiful steady background. Select a shape, drag it across the slide. Duplicate it, then go to Rotate, select Flip Horizontal. Now take a rectangle shape, place it in the center. Select all shape, go to Merge Shape, select Union. Fill it with your desired color. Remove the outline and resize. Align it to the center. Add a text box and type. Center it, change the color. Change the font, make it bold and increase the font size. Duplicate this box. Type solar. Change the color and increase the size. Duplicate again. Type system. Center it and go to text effect. Select transform for a stylish curve. Insert a rectangle. Remove outline. Increase transparency. Right click, edit text and type your name. Change the font and size to make it prominent. Duplicate the slide. Remove everything. Type sun and add a brief description. Go to Insert, click on Picture, choose a sun image from your device. Position the image on the bottom left and top right corners for a stylish layout. Keep duplicating the slide and changing the planet name and image in each one. Replace with Mercury, update information and image. Then, do the same for Venus, placing the information on the left. For Earth, information on the right. For Mars, keep the information in the center. Continue this pattern with Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune, changing the position to keep it dynamic. Duplicate the last slide. Remove all objects. Type thank you and copy the rectangle from the title slide, paste it here and add thank you for joining inside. Select all slides. Go to transition and apply the push effect. Now go to the first slide, hit slideshow and enjoy your amazing solar system presentation. And just like that, you have created a visually stunning solar system presentation using nothing but PowerPoint. You learn how to design custom background, animate titles, insert planet data, and use beautiful transition to tie it all together. Want the editable file? Check out the link in the description. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Aksharika Tutorials for more awesome PowerPoint videos. Let me know in the comments which planet is your favorite and I will see you in the next video.